Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know what one of these is because of a mix-up between myself and Kizer and one of my viewers. They actually both sent me the same knife. I said yes without understanding exactly what one of my viewers is sending me, but that's fine because you know what? The one that Kizer sent me will end up as a giveaway item for the future. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Also, thank you to Kizer for sending these in. Let me get this one out of the way because I've already unboxed one of these. You guys have seen it before. But it's super cool. And I don't know, I'll link it down below. I don't know if it's available at the time of this video. This one is brand new. This is the Cormorant, which I believe is how you say it. Yeah, there we go. And that's Kizer's new button lock. A lot of you guys saw my unboxing video of this. This one's brand new, exactly the same as the one that I had sent by a viewer. This is cool. This is a very, very cool fidget knife, and I think these are for a pretty good price. S35VN, layered, peel-ply textured G10. So we have white and black, which is awesome. And, to my surprise, some countersunk steel liners. I honestly thought it was all G10. This is a very, very cool button lock. And for people that have just been, you know, just slowly crumbling inside over, you know, the inability to acquire a button lock Malibu, this might help scratch that itch for a lot of people because this is a really well done button lock flipper that's also a front flipper. So yeah, there you go. I'll link that guy down below. Now the other one that they sent, I actually have not been in this box yet. I wanted to save this for the actual unboxing. This is the Tauser K. I can't remember. I think they just asked if I would look at it. So I wanted to, I said, well, I wanted to unbox this, but I said, yeah, sure. Send me what you want me to take a look at. So the first thing I noticed is we have 154 cm. We have this. What material is this? I do not know. But okay, we have a nice, I'm going to call that a sheep's foot pillow. No, it's a warren cliff. It's a cliff. It's a cliff warren. It's a sheep's cliff. It's a sioux. It's a sea, or whatever you call, whatever you want to call that. Call it whatever you want. Whatever you want. Nice thumb stud opener, liner lock, and very nice ergonomics. Very, very nice. Basic but very functional pocket clip. Wish that was in set or recessed, however you want to say that. You can mount it on the other side if you want. 154 cm, one of my favorite steels of all time. I'm going to guess this is not an expensive knife. I will link it down below. Very happy with the choice of a liner lock there. Makes it a little easier to do things like the reverse flick. You can see I'm doing it right and left-handed with ease. I'm right-hand dominant. And then, of course, your thumb stud opening is also made easier because you don't have to worry about whether or not you're putting pressure on an exposed frame lock. What the heck is this material? I don't know. Okay, well, I'll find out and put it on the screen. It doesn't look like G10 or micarta. What the heck is this? Wait, does it say on the box? Yeah, okay, it says black. Oh, wait, this is the Cormorant. I'm sorry. I'm just being stupid. Where's the... Okay, here it is, right here. Blue Canyon. I don't know what to play. I'll put it up on the screen. That's a weird one. I do like the texture pattern on it, though. That looks really nice. I just don't know what the material is. So, I mean, and if it's something common, it just looks a little bit different. But, all right. Very cool stuff from Kizer. Very, very cool. I'll link it down below if I can. Check it out if you want to. Additional specs, pricing, stuff like that. It'll all be included in the link. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. My voice. I'm so sorry about my voice, guys. I have lost my voice twice over the last month. I have no idea what's going on. Changing of the seasons in Kansas is very abrupt. we all get sick, and I have allergies on top of that. So yay, that's how my content is now. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. And I can't remember how I end my videos now. I hope you all have an excellent rest of your day. Bye.